cutting up the steel for the roof. And we've got enough for the roof, and we may have enough to do a couple walls. The whole front's I think the whole front's gonna be done in wood, and the sides back will be done in this stuff. We've got some other profiles out at the property. We're trying to spend as little as possible on this shed, and we're just going to use up the remaining sheet metal we have. But I think we got enough for the roof. We got some panels starting over here. We got some panels laid out here. We need 128 inches, 63 inches long, 128 inches. So we'll have 3.5 sheets per side. So I think we'll have plenty, and we should have enough to do 1 or 2 of the sides of the building left over. And we'll just have to do the back with a different profile.
From the property, yeah.
What I'm using is just a 1/2-inch grinder with a zip blade on it. And it's pretty good. You know, you go through, you know, we've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets, and I'm putting another one on, so 5 or 6 sheets. And
out of one disc.
One disc.
Oh, yeah.
They're about $2.50.
So what's our total we've spent so far? You had to buy a couple things.
Well, we bought hinges and more screws.
What size screws?
3.5 inch and 1 3/4 inch. So as of today, we got about $90 into it.
Wow, those are expensive hinges.
Yeah. Well, the screws themselves are $20 for 5 pounds of them.
And how many pounds did you buy?
So I bought 10 pounds.
Oh, well, there you go, yeah.
Screws, because 1 3/4 they sell by the pound. And the hinges are about $10 a piece. I got 2 of them. And I got a hasp to lock it. You know, that was another $10. Plus we spent $20 on screws before. So it's about $90 so far. And I bought about a half a dozen of these.
Mm-hmm. So, yep.
Nope.
Can't get 2 out of that one?
No, just this one. Yep.
So that one sheet was just extra long that we got 2 out of.
Yeah. Got lucky. So to progress here, we're going to put that wall on with the tin. We've got all the pieces we need for the roof. So we got them cut, and then that's the offcuts, and this piece here, we're going to see if we can complete a wall. High tech and old school. So it's just to have a spot where the siding could come up against. It's a finished piece, and then we'll put another, you know, because the wall's not totally straight because of the pallets, and we'll put a nice little cap on here, a little cap the top, and it's just to keep critters out too, but it's just to finish it off.
And because the profile of the metal
It's a little
wavy.
different. Yeah.
Beep.
Good edge here.
Mm-hmm.
Good edge here.
And he's standing on the board to push it up. So it goes up here, nice and snug.
Let's see if we got. Nope.
No board there, eh? Huh. We didn't do the measure thing, you know, where you go through and you, yeah. Before we get more stuff in there, we should do that. What have we been through?
Well, when you put the tar paper on, you can't see the boards anymore. So you got to remember to mark up at the top and on the bottom, because both pallets are all different. Sometimes you got to go inside and you got to measure over on the inside and measure on the outside, so you know you've got to.
Something to attach
If
the.
you're better organized, you mark it down on a piece of paper.
We're not that organized.
We're not that organized.